I'm just happy a man can be in, so we can
Yes.
also sustain and support. And no, I'm also on the Magdalene path in somehow. So connected to Jesus, more to the divine masculine, but it's like they have to go together. This is
Mm.
part of our project with Isabel. We are building some strong foundations in our couple, in also our our spiritual project around merging the polarities. So we are just very happy to be part of this together, and to sustain, support, and yes, and be able to balance the energies in this mostly feminine side of the spiritual awakening. So very
Mm.
happy to be here. Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really love the fact that you are here and as a masculine because yes, there's been a lot of resurgence of the divine feminine, and it is so important because the feminine hasn't been recognized. But ultimately, it's also coming back to the divine feminine and the divine masculine and the balance of that within. So while it's been a path that's been very dominated feels like the wrong word, but it's been very much focused on women. I feel like it's so important and so beautiful actually to see men who are also on this path and who are have the same kind of dedication to reclaiming our divinity, reclaiming the balance between masculine and feminine, and who really feel so passionate also about creating a better world for all of us. So I'm super grateful that you are here on the call. I know there was a bit of hesitation at the beginning, so I really love that you're here as well. And I think it's a beautiful example actually to all the men out there who do feel maybe called to the path, but then feel like, oh, well, it's the divine feminine, so maybe not for me. But actually, it is. I think it's for absolutely all of us. So thank you for being a beautiful example of that.
Thank you.